Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove CapCut watermark from template. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create a video using CapCut template. Then I'm going to show you how you can remove the watermark from template. Okay, I'm going to go to the templates menu, and then I'm going to select one of the template right here. You can choose the template that you like, and for instance I'm gonna go with this one guys, and then we can replace the videos or photos in the template with our own photos or videos. Okay, I'm just going to click on use template, and I need to choose my photos or video. For example, I'm going to choose photo from this pins folder. Okay, I'm just going to pick random photos like this. Okay, now the items have been selected, and I'm going to click on next. Okay, hold on guys. Okay, and this is the result, and I'm going to show you how we can remove the CapCut watermark right here from the template. Okay, you can see the CapCut watermark, right? This one, we're going to remove it. But before we export the video, we can change the music. You can go to the music option if you want to change the music. Just in case if you do not like the music from template, you can go to the audio, and then you can choose the audio that you like. You can extract audio from video, or you can add your own audio. But I'm just going to leave it like that, and you will be able to crop your photo as well. Just tap on the photo and you can click on crop, or you can replace the photo by clicking on the replace menu, and you will be able to apply a filter as well. And then once you're ready to export it, you can click on export, and then to remove the CapCut watermark from template, you can select export without watermark. Okay, I'm going to change the resolution first. Okay, then we can click on export without watermark, and the video will be saved without the CapCut watermark on it. Here you just need to wait. Okay, and now the video is ready, and we'll be able to share it to our social media such as TikTok or Instagram. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove CapCut template from that's how we can remove the CapCut watermark from template. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.